Now, guys, we didn't get a lot of time to spend on simplifying fractions. We did talk about it, but it's basically taking the fraction. Let's take a look at this first one, 12/8. And it's breaking these numbers, 12 and 8, down to the smallest equivalent fraction we can get, really. So remember, to make an equivalent fraction, we either times these numbers by the same number, like say 2, or to make the number smaller, we can make an equivalent fraction by, instead, dividing these numbers by a number like 2. Now here's a hint. If the bottom number and the top number are even, you can always divide it by 2. Lots of times it can be 4 or 6 or 8. You can divide them by any of those kind of numbers. If both numbers, when divided by this, will make a whole number. So what I mean is this. Let's start with 2. 2 is the easiest way. It might take more steps, but it is the easiest way. So let's do 12/8. 8 divided by 2. These are both even numbers, so I'm going to divide them by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, can this be broken down more? Can I divide this? This is an even number, and this is an even number, so let's try dividing it by 2 again. 4 divided by 2, that equals 2. 6 divided by 2, that equals 3. Now, can this be broken down any more? Well, the bottom number is even, the top number is odd. And in this case, it can't actually be broken down anymore. So 3/2 is 12/8 simplified. So 12/8 equals, if it's simplifying, equals 3/2. They're equivalent fractions. This is just the kind of simplest, or the lowest looking numbers for the equivalent fraction. Now, some of these, I'm going to give you a little hint, some of these can't be broken down anymore. They're already at their kind of simplified point. So it's a bit of a trick question in these here. So you kind of have to know which ones can go down more, which ones cannot. Also, if both numbers are odd numbers, let's say 9 and 3, let's say, then try starting with like an odd number. So let's try dividing this. What number can I divide both of these? Let's try the 3. Let's try dividing this by 3 and this by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. This is as small as this can get. So this would be the simplified fraction. It's equivalent to this. It's just in its kind of simplest form.